Imagine waking up every morning to a completely different view. One day it's a calm mountain lake, the next it's a desert sunrise, and the next it's the sound of waves crashing on a quiet beach. Now imagine experiencing all of that from a space that feels like a luxury penthouse rather than a vehicle. In 2026, motorhomes are no longer just about travel. They're about freedom, status, and comfort without compromise. Today, we're exploring the top 5 luxury motorhomes of 2026 you'll wish you could own. These aren't ordinary RVs. They're rolling mansions designed for people who want the open road without giving up high-end living, advanced technology, or premium design. Luxury motorhomes have evolved dramatically over the last few years, and 2026 represents a major leap forward. Manufacturers are blending cutting-edge technology with timeless craftsmanship, creating vehicles that feel futuristic yet incredibly comfortable. From smart home systems and hybrid powertrains to spa-inspired bathrooms and hotel-style bedrooms, these motorhomes are redefining what life on the road can look like. In this video, we'll count down the best of the best based on design, comfort, innovation, performance, and exclusivity. And as we move closer to number 1, the level of luxury increases dramatically. We're starting with number 5, the Tiffin Allegro Bus. This motorhome is proof that luxury doesn't have to feel over the top to be impressive. The Allegro Bus has long been known for its build quality and road comfort, and for 2026, it continues to deliver a refined, reliable luxury experience. From the outside, it has a bold and confident design, with premium paint finishes and a commanding presence on the highway. Step inside, and you're greeted by a warm, welcoming interior that feels like a high-end home. The living area is spacious and thoughtfully laid out, featuring plush seating, elegant cabinetry, and large windows that flood the space with natural light. The kitchen is equipped with residential-style appliances, ample storage, and high-quality countertops, making it perfect for extended trips. In the bedroom, you'll find a true retreat, complete with a comfortable bed and a quiet, relaxing atmosphere. What makes the Allegro Bus stand out is how effortlessly it blends luxury with practicality, making it an excellent choice for full-time RV living or long-distance travel. At number 4 is the Winnebago Horizon, a motorhome that focuses heavily on modern design and smart technology. This is where luxury begins to feel futuristic. The Horizon features a sleek, contemporary exterior that immediately sets it apart from more traditional motorhomes. Inside, the design is clean, open, and highly functional. The living space feels airy and modern, with minimalist furniture, intelligent storage solutions, and advanced touchscreen controls. Winnebago has placed a strong emphasis on efficiency and innovation, incorporating upgraded power systems, improved insulation, and off-grid capabilities that allow you to travel comfortably without relying on constant hookups. The Horizon is ideal for buyers who value technology, modern aesthetics, and the confidence of owning a motorhome that feels built for the future. Coming in at number 3 is the Newmar King Aire, a name that carries serious prestige in the luxury motorhome world. This is where we step into true high-end territory. The King Aire is designed for travelers who expect nothing less than excellence. From the moment you step inside, the craftsmanship is impossible to ignore. Premium wood finishes, soft ambient lighting, and carefully selected materials create an atmosphere that feels elegant and timeless. The living area is expansive, offering plenty of room to relax or entertain. The kitchen is chef-inspired, with high-end appliances and thoughtful design details that make everyday living feel effortless. The bathroom and bedroom are equally impressive, delivering a hotel-like experience that makes life on the road feel indulgent. Beyond luxury, the King Aire also delivers outstanding performance, offering a smooth, quiet, and confident driving experience that makes long journeys enjoyable rather than exhausting. At number 2, we have the Prevost Marathon Coach, a motorhome that feels less like an RV and more like a private jet on wheels. Built on a commercial-grade bus chassis, this motorhome offers exceptional durability, ride quality, and road presence. But what truly sets the Prevost Marathon apart is its level of customization. Each coach can be tailored to the owner's exact preferences, from the layout and materials to the technology and lighting. Inside, the space feels vast and incredibly refined, often featuring ultra-luxury seating, massive entertainment systems, spa-style bathrooms, and master suites that offer complete privacy. This motorhome is built for elite travelers who want absolute control over their living environment and expect perfection in every detail. It's not just a motorhome, it's a personalized luxury experience on wheels. Finally, at number 1, we have the Volkner Mobil Performance S, a motorhome that takes luxury to an entirely different level. This is not just a vehicle, it's a statement. What makes the Performance S truly extraordinary is its integrated garage system capable of carrying a full-size supercar inside the motorhome. Yes, your luxury motorhome can literally travel with your Ferrari or Lamborghini on board. Inside, the design is ultra-modern and minimalistic, with clean lines, premium materials, and panoramic glass walls that create a breathtaking sense of space. Every element is carefully engineered, from the automated living areas to the perfectly balanced lighting and climate control. The Performance S is designed for those who refuse to compromise, people who want the freedom of the open road while carrying their entire luxury lifestyle with them. When you look at all 5 of these motorhomes together, it's clear that luxury on the road has reached a new era in 2026. Each model offers a unique take on high-end travel, whether it's practicality, technology, craftsmanship, customization, or extreme exclusivity. If value and comfort matter most, the Tiffin Allegro Bus stands out. If modern design and smart innovation excite you, the Winnebago Horizon is hard to ignore. For classic luxury and prestige, the Newmar Aire delivers beautifully. For ultimate customization and elite travel, the Prevost Marathon Coach dominates. And for those who want the absolute pinnacle of luxury, nothing compares to the Volkner Mobil Performance S. If money wasn't an issue, which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your pick. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more luxury vehicle content. And if you think these were impressive, wait until you see what's coming next. Until then, keep dreaming big, and I'll see you in the next one.